So today's video is going to be very special for you because today I'm going to talk about any Realme handset. Many complaints are coming in the comment section on Realme. So today's video is only for Realme, which is very valuable. So you just follow with us and unlock your Realme phone. You just have to watch this video till the end without a skip. Then you can understand this whole process and you can unlock any Realme Android phone. So let's start the process. As you can see that the handset that I have is pin locked, and you will see below it that an emergency call will also be visible here. You have to press on it, on this emergency calls option, and now you have to we have already clicked on it. So process that is being used here is called offline method, and none of your application and data will be deleted in this. So one thing you have to take care that your phone should be in flight mode, and your battery percentage must be in above 40 to 50. So now, before going to start this video, I am going to share you some important message. I'm going to which I'm going to share you this some secret code, and which is valid up to September 2023. And this one another message is this code may be support in many handset and does not support in many handsets. So please don't, you have to just, if your phone is not unlocked, please share on comment section on my channel. I will give you best solution and best resolving method. So now I am going to share you the secret code a star 3 times 5 a star 985. After that you have to press hash. Now I am going to zoom. This is for only for you because this code is very important, and this method is called offline method. Now you can take a screenshot. Please just take a screenshot. If you want to note down, please note down a star has 8555 a star 985 and hash. Now we have to call here on this number, on this code minimum 3 times, and erase this code and apply once again this code star has 899 and has. Now you can able to see engineer mode page is activated on your screen. Now there are lots of option is coming. So first check your software version. There are so many complaints, negative complaint. You are unlocking through the backside of finger. So now you can able to see there is no finger option is coming. So now I am going to the process. Now first check your Android version. Your what is your Realme Android version? So my Realme Android version is 12. So I am pressing here the same number. If your Android version is 896, so press it the same on your screen. Now go in the manual test and device debugging page. Proximity sensor test, you have to click on it. There are three options. Second row you have to click on it, proximity calibration and confirm here, and come back from this option and check M sensor auto test. Now your test is successful. Now you can understand your phone is going to the unlock, and the last option and the main others option after swiping the last page. Now you can see 4 5 option is coming. So press on your database version. Last time what you click on your Android version, so your Android, my Android version is 12. So same number you have to press on that database version. So I am pressing the 12 time because my Android version is 12. Now the second row, write important log text, click on here and confirm this. Now after through you can check through the key status also. Now you can see this key status is passed. Now after completing the whole process, is turn to check our whether our phone is unlocked or not. So I am going to pressing the home button and we will see our phone is unlocked or not. So friend, as you can see, our phone is unlocked without loss of any data or application. So I hope you like this video. Then see you in the next video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.